Hello? You mean I got something really special to show you guys today? You don't say. Wait, okay, I guess I'll just do that now. Hi everyone, it's Celeste and welcome to my channel. Currently, my channel is under reconstruction right now because I'm working on my wedding. My wedding is this year, October 2019. A lot of it I'm doing DIY by myself, and you've seen some of the progress and some small videos. I will create a playlist for this, but right now, I gotta tell you something. What did you say? Just get on with the video? Okay, I'll do it. Thank you. Bye. Today's video is actually my unboxing of my dream shoe, and I'm going to be using this for my wedding! I'm very fortunate and blessed to have a wonderful and loving husband, and I'm just like so excited. If you guys don't know, it is from Jimmy Choo. Wearing is from Jimmy Choo, and they know that this is going to be my wedding dress shoe, and I'm really excited to be showcasing this to you all. So, when I was carrying it home, I was just so excited, and I was like kind of skipping around, so I broke one of the straps. So, woo, broken shoe strap. Okay. So they also said that they gave me a little something something, and it's got a little bit of this and such. So this is the box. It's beautiful. It's got gold inlay. It says Jimmy Choo on it, London. And these are made in Italy. And it says so at the bottom of the box. And the packaging is from recycled materials. And this is 100% recyclable. But I will not be recycling this box because I'm going to keep my shoes inside this box. And you can see me undo this bad boy. And I've never opened something this big before in my life. This is something important. Oh wow, look at that. It comes with this nice bag here. It's so soft. What is this, silk? Details about how to take care of your shoes. As you guys see, the special care shoe bag right here. As I slowly open my shoe box. So opening it up, got this layer of special foam. And now I'm going to peel off a little bit more layers. I'm about to cry, and I don't want to mess up my makeup, but okay. Here are the shoes in their package just like this. I'm going to slowly pull them out. And they're in specialty microfiber cloth white Jimmy Choo bags. And it is also, what is this? I think this is printed on, but it feels wonderful. So I'm going to open one of them now. The moment you've been waiting for. La 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 la. You may have seen these shoes on other channels where they get it from wish.com and other things like that. No, these are the original Cinderella Jimmy Choo shoes, and these are so gorgeous. I got to try them on in store, and these are the Cinderella heels. These are mine for my wedding, and I am so excited. Like, you guys don't really understand. I saw these in 2015. I'm like, these have to be mine someday. And this is one of the shoes here. And it's just so gorgeous. These are Swarovski crystals all over it. And this is with the lighting effect. Oh, just beautiful, just so beautiful. I'm gonna put this back in so it doesn't lose its shape. And then you wanna like have this covered here. And this is what the shoes look like. Don't worry, I will be putting these on shortly, but I just want to show you a close-up. They even have these special little, like, slippers, sandals kind of thing. It's so beautiful. Like, these shoes, like, a wedding dress is important, I get it, but, like, these shoes are more important to me because I can wear them for multiple things and my cosplays. So, this is what they look like. These are the Jimmy Choo Cinderellas in silver. These were created for a competition for the Cinderella movie in 2015. A lot of other designers created their version of the glass slipper, and these were the winning design. And even the actress for Cinderella herself wore these on the red carpet, but to showcase how beautiful they are. They're officially mine! Look at these. They're so beautiful. They're glistening everywhere. Okay. Here you can finally see me wearing the crystal shoes. These are Swarovski crystals with a shimmer suede base with a hand embroidered crystal cluster on the front. It is a spiked heel, a classic pointy toe silhouette heel. The heel height is about 4 inches or 100 millimeters, and these are made in Italy. Honestly, I feel like I could wear these all day long. No joke. I am seriously in love with these beautiful pieces of work. Like, can you see how beautiful these are? They're just so reflective. It's like the most beautiful thing I've ever held in my life. And here it is. This is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear these for my wedding. They were quite a pretty penny. So I'm so lucky to have these, and I'm so thankful to my husband for these shoes. I've been wanting these since 2015. So I'm going to carefully put them back into their rightful order here in this box. So the representative at Jimmy Choo gave me this extra box, and it's got a lot of weight to it, and I'm just kind of like, oh my god. They're like, we gave you something extra for your wedding and because you bought our shoes for your wedding. So I'm like, I want to open this bad boy up. It says Jimmy Choo London, and there it is. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's a candle! Oh my goodness, what kind of candle is this? I didn't expect this at all. And it says Jimmy Choo right here. And it's pomegranate and white fig, and it is a nice black matte candle, and it's so good. So that was a nice, pleasant surprise. I'm really happy, and oh wow, it has a lot of detail right here if you can read it. It says that it is a soy candle and natural. Average burn time is 36 hours. Attend a candle at all times. Burn away from children and pets. Burn away from flammable objects. Trim wick to 1/4 before every lighting. I mean, this is a really short wick anyways, like if you could see it. It's really tiny. So I think that's okay. And wick contains no lead. And it's about 180 grams or 6.35 ounces. And burn on heat-resistant surface. So this is adorable! I love it! Thank you so much, Jimmy Choo. Like, I love it. Thank you so much for the little candle. And of course, before I forget, my babies. These beautiful bad boys in the ring lights. They're so amazing. Like, I can't stop looking at it. They're such amazing shoes. But that does it about this unwrapping video. I hope you guys had a lot of fun coming with me on this journey about my wedding shoes. So next I might be showing you my bouquet or my wedding dress. I don't know. You need to click the boxes around the video so you can see exactly what I'm talking about and continue on my wedding journey until October 2019. If you're watching this in the past, thanks so much for coming and watching my video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content such as my wedding content or my cosplay content. After 2019 October, I will not be doing any more wedding content unless requested on my Patreon or on anything else on my channel. So of course, make sure to leave me a comment down below if you think these shoes are going overboard or if they're perfect for what I'm working on. I love you guys so much. Thanks for checking out this video. Stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye. I just had to hold these. Like, I can't put them down. Bye. Let me have fun with these. I'm gonna go wear these around the house and just like have fun, so.